India's streets are loud, colorful, and chaotic, and getting around them is half the adventure. In this guide, you'll master the essential Hindi phrases you need to ride auto-rickshaws, hail taxis, navigate train stations, and hop on local buses, all with confidence. 15 key phrases. That's all it takes. Let's go.
English will get you far in hotels and tourist areas, but the moment you step onto a local bus or flag down an auto, you're in Hindi territory. Drivers, conductors, and ticket vendors in smaller cities often speak little to no English. Learning just a handful of Hindi phrases helps you in 4 powerful ways. First, you save money, negotiate fares, and sidestep tourist pricing. Second, you can go anywhere, even destinations well off the beaten path. Third, you win respect. Locals genuinely love when foreigners make the effort. And fourth, you stay safe, because being able to communicate clearly in an emergency is priceless. You really only need 15 phrases to handle almost any transport situation in India.
Before we dive into specific situations, let's learn the 2-sentence patterns that unlock everything else. Master these, and you can ask about any place in India. The first is kahan hai, written in Hindi as kahan hai. It means simply, where is something? Pronounce it kahan hai. Just drop any location in front of it, and you're done. Bus stop kahan hai. Where is the bus stop? Ticket counter kahan hai. Where is the ticket counter? Taxi kahan mil sakti hai. Where can I get a taxi? One pattern, infinite possibilities. The second magic pattern is kitna ka hai. Kitne ka hai. It means how much is. Pronounce it kitna ka hai. Again, just swap in what you need. Ticket kitne ka hai. How much is the ticket? Kitna dur hai? How far is it? Meter kitna dikhata hai? How much does the meter show? Between kahan hai and kitna ka hai, you've already covered most of your transport conversations.
If these 2 patterns already made your trip easier, hit that subscribe button. I'm releasing a full series of these guides to make sure you're never lost in India.
The auto-rickshaw is one of the most iconic ways to get around Indian cities. But before you climb in, there's one phrase you must say. Meter se chalo. Meter se chalo. It means go by the meter. Pronounce it meter se chalo. Here's how it sounds in context. You tell the driver, Connaught Place, meter se chalo. He replies, Theek hai, baitho. Okay, get in. Always say this before getting in. If the driver refuses to use the meter, find another auto. There are always more.
Once you're in negotiation territory, it helps to know how far you're going. Ask, kitna dur hai? Kitna dur hai? That means, how far is it? Pronounce it, kitna dur hai? Try it like this. Airport kitna dur hai? The driver might say, 20 minutes, sahib. 20 minutes, sir. A pro tip, always cross-check the driver's answer with Google Maps before agreeing on a fixed price. It's the best way to avoid overpaying.
So the driver quotes you a price that feels a little steep. Stay calm, smile, and say, Ye bahut zyada hai. Ye bahut zyada hai. It means this is too much. Pronounce it, Ye bahut zyada hai. Here's a real exchange. The driver says, 100 rupees, 100 rupees. You respond, Ye bahut zyada hai. 50 theek hai? This is too much. Is 50 okay? Say it calmly, with a smile. Friendly negotiation always works better than aggression. A good-natured haggle is part of the culture. Lean into it.
Need a taxi? Ask a local. Mujhe taxi kahan mil sakti hai? Mujhe taxi kahan mil sakti hai? It means, where can I get a taxi? Pronounce it mujhe taxi kahan mil sakti hai. You might say, excuse me, mujhe taxi kahan mil sakti hai? And a local points you toward the nearest stand. Wahan, us corner pe. Over there, on that corner. Best tip? Ask hotel staff or police officers. They'll direct you to official prepaid taxi stands, your best protection against scams. Once you've agreed on a price and you're ready to go, seal the deal with "Theek hai, chalo." Theek hai, chalo. It means, okay, let's go. Pronounce it "Theek hai, chalo." The driver names his price. Attar mohor 200 rupiye. 200 rupees. You're happy with it. Theek hai, chalo. This is your all-purpose power phrase. It signals agreement and gets things moving. And the great thing? It works just as well on trains, buses, and auto-rickshaws. Indian train stations can be overwhelming, but a warm greeting goes a long way. Walk up to a guard or staff member, smile, and say, "Namaste. Ticket counter kahan hai?" Namaste. Ticket counter kahan hai? Pronounce it. Namaste. Ticket counter kahan hai? A real exchange. You ask, "Namaste. Ticket counter kahan hai?" The guard replies, "Seedha jaiye. Platform 1 ke paas." Go straight, near platform 1. Always greet with namaste first. It immediately builds goodwill and makes people far more willing to help.
At the ticket window, ask, "One-way ticket kitne ka hai?" Ek taraf ka ticket kitne ka hai? That's, how much is a one-way ticket? Pronounce it, "Ek taraf ka ticket kitne ka hai?" Try, "Mumbai one-way ticket kitne ka hai?" The clerk might answer, "Sleeper mein 300, AC mein 900. 300 in sleeper class, 900 in AC. One important tip, book your trains in advance on the IRCTC app. Ticket window queues can stretch for hours, especially at major stations. Your ticket's booked. Now where do you go? Ask station staff. Train किस platform पर आएगी? Train किस platform पर आएगी? It means, which platform will the train arrive on? Pronounce it, train किस platform par आएगी? For example, Rajdhani Express किस platform par आएगी? Staff replies, platform number 5, platform 5. Here's a heads up. Indian trains are frequently reassigned to a different platform at the last minute. Ask multiple times and keep one eye on the announcement boards. At the ticket counter or with station staff, state where you're headed like this. मैं दिल्ली जाना चाहता हूँ. मैं दिल्ली जाना चाहता हूँ. That's, I want to go to Delhi. Pronounce it, मैं Delhi जाना चाहता हूँ. Try combining it with a question. मैं आगरा जाना चाहता हूँ. कौन सी train है? The clerk answers, Taj Express hai, platform 3. The Taj Express, platform 3. Quick note, if you're a female speaker, say chahti hoon instead of chahta hoon. Hindi verbs change based on gender. Ready to try the local bus? Start by finding the stop. Ask anyone nearby. Bus stop kahan hai? Bus stop kahan hai? It means, where is the bus stop? Pronounce it. Bus stop kahan hai? You ask, and a local points you in the right direction. Wo dekho, ped ke paas. Look over there, near the tree. City buses in India are remarkably cheap, often under 10 rupees. One thing to remember, keep small change ready, because conductors rarely carry it. Once you're at the stop, make sure the bus is going your way. Ask, ye bus kahan jati hai? Ye bus kahan jati hai? That means, where does this bus go? Pronounce it ye, bus, ka, han, ja, ti, hey. The conductor calls out, Hojkas, sakit, gurgan, and you know you're on the right one. Practical tip, stand near the door as the bus slows down. Conductors shout out destination names quickly, and it's surprisingly easy to miss your stop if you're not paying attention.
Once you're on board, turn to the conductor and ask, Ticket kitne ka hai? Ticket kitne ka hai? That's how much is the ticket. Pronounce it ticket kitne ka hai. You ask, Chandni Chowk ka ticket kitne ka hai? The conductor says, 5 rupiye, 5 rupees. Again, have your small change ready. Conductors move fast, and fumbling for change while the bus is moving is never ideal. Not sure where you are? Turn to a fellow passenger and ask, Agla stop kaun sa hai? Agla stop kaun sa hai? It means, what is the next stop? Pronounce it Agla stop kaun sa hai. Try it. Bhaiya, agla stop kaun sa hai? Using bhaiya, a friendly term for brother. A passenger might reply, Lajpat Nagar aayega abhi. Lajpat Nagar is coming up. Passengers on Indian buses are almost always happy to help a traveler who's making the effort to speak Hindi. You've reached your destination. Now make sure the driver knows it. Say loudly and clearly, Yahan rokiye. Yahan rokiye. It means please stop here. Pronounce it yahan rokiye. Say it loudly, Yahan rokiye. And the driver slows down. You'll want to project your voice here. Indian buses are noisy places. If your words don't land, tap on the window bars or press the bell if the bus has one. Let's put your new skills to the test. Match each phrase to its correct meaning. 1. Meter se chalo. 2. Yahan rokiye. 3. Kitna dur hai? 4. Ye bahut zyada hai. 5. Agla stop kaun sa hai? 6. TK, chalo. And the answers: 1 matches F, go by the meter. 2 matches B, please stop here. 3 matches A, how far is it? 4 matches D, this is too much. 5 matches E, what is the next stop? And 6 matches C. Okay, how many did you get right? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to keep testing your Hindi every week, join the channel by subscribing. And there you have it, your complete Hindi transport cheat sheet. Screenshot this slide and save it to your phone before your trip. You won't always have internet when you need it most. And if this helped you, hit like and subscribe. It genuinely means a lot, and it's what keeps me making videos like this one.